Well, g'day. Here we are in Goulburn and the Drive to the Top charity event is about to start. Now it's cold, rainy and windy, but the forecast is for sunshine. Now this event is going to be absolutely brilliant and I hope that you enjoy the video we bring to you of some of the four-wheel drive action, the camping, the lack of food, the lack of sleep. It's going to be an absolute epic adventure. Enjoy.
Mate, I think you're in for a big weekend. Hopefully the weather will dry up a little bit.
Yes, please.
I think everyone's just collected their bags and packs.
Now, what's in the packs? Is it like, you know, the Snickers and the McDonald's voucher and all those good things?
Oh, of course not. No. No, it's a rations pack. So it'd be something that one of the homeless guys would have as a normal day out on the streets. So he'd have access to some fruit and basically some noodles heated up with some hot water. But a very basic pack, yeah. So everyone's gonna probably struggle against their normal diet.
So what does people experiencing homelessness look like? Well, it could be a teenager who's surfing couches, staying on grandma's couch in the garage or a friend's couch. It could be somebody of older years who is living rough on the streets, literally sleeping on the ground, out the front of a shop, under an awning, something like that. It is people who are experiencing the absolute adverse conditions of the environment. We've had an absolute blast. 150 k's, dirt roads, bitumen, uphills, downhills. We went up to the top of Mount Corey. It was brilliant views from up there. But I tell you what, we're all starving. You know why? Because people who are experiencing homelessness, they're starving tonight as well, and so are we. We're experiencing what they experience. Now I want to show you what some of the guys are sleeping in tonight. It's pretty rough.
Sleeping in a homeless swag, eating their rations, you know, it just forces you to take stock of those little things that you don't, you forget and you take for granted on a daily basis.
We'd really encourage you to go and Google Drive to the Top charity run. It's a four-wheel drive charity run every year. If you'd like to be part of it next year, we would love you to come and join us on the trip. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.